sila kanina?
It's very hard. Given na yung players got back yesterday, pero they really wanted to visit. At least get to talk to the mom and grieve, I guess. It's medyo mabigat talaga for mahirap din with everything that's happened. I guess the players, medyo traumatized pa lahat and everything. So, it's really hard, but hopefully, nakausap ng couple of our players, yung parents, and gave some light on the situation. And I think very important, gave them a chance to really grieve for Rene, and vice versa, yung family din at least nakasama.
Coach, you were able to speak with the parents of Rene, and ano yung reaction nila?
Me personally, I had to leave.
Yeah.
So I couldn't. But other coaches, and yun, I had to leave. So actually, tinatanong ko kamusta. Hindi ko alam kung what happened.
Coach, how would you remember Divine after coaching? How would you remember Divine?
Syempre, I mean, last year, the time spent with Divine. Actually, gentle soul yan. Paborito nga niyan, SpongeBob. So, sa laking tao niya, diba? So, yun, he's looks tough, but he's a gentle soul, and will be missed. Rene will be missed. Yeah. Sorry, man. So,
Yeah.
Were you able to talk to Coach Tab?
yeah, I was able to talk to Coach Tab. The coaches when they arrived. The team when they arrived. Most of them. Sometimes, aside from talking, of course, it's, like to just be there for one another. Hirap kasi lahat, marami parang iyak dasal ang magagawa. Diba? Of course, there are other things na kailangan din to attend to, and yun, we will also, I guess, parang sometimes you have to do stuff like na grieving ka rin. So I mean, I understand that yung players that they're going through medyo mabigat talaga. I commend them for that. Doesn't help na with all of what's happening, medyo crazy. Wag naman po sana, guys, tigilan nyo naman sana yung huwag na kayo mag-threat sa mga players. I mean, medyo ano na rin, doesn't help the situation any. I think a lot of you also, a lot of people were confused about all the information going around. I can't deny that, diba? And hopefully, yun nga, medyo may light na for what happened. It's tragic. It's tragic. We describe it?
Coach, when you said you got to talk to coach staff, Ateneo has since released two statements regarding the unfortunate incident. But will the Blue Eagles or just the team in general be releasing a statement, the coaching staff, about what happened?
I actually don't. Sorry. Actually, not to anything, but I'm not sure. Medyo weird kasi officially I'm not part of the coaching staff this year. But it's not that I'm washing my hands. I just I'm not sure kasi we just finished. I'll find out more I guess later. Some of the things I'm just receiving now. So I'm just I have to maybe I can answer better later on. But yun, hopefully lang talaga, as I think may mga probes or fact findings so that at least talagang ma-verify what really happened. Shed light, I think information, the right information is important and is key.
Coach, clarify lang, Coach.
Sorry?
Clarify lang, since when po kayo hindi assistant sa akin? Simula nung Gilas Women appointment?
A little bit before. But I'm not washing my hands. In fact, I'm helping out in whatever way I can. Because I was a part and I still, even though officially not part title, these are my fellow coaches, these are my players. Ryan is si Rene is a player of Davao. Is supposed to be a player for Ateneo. So doesn't make me feel any better. Whereas I guess devastated as I'm sure naman lahat tayo kahit pa paano, in our own way we're devastated. So yun, medyo mabigat lang talaga. But I'd like to thank you guys. And it's been a bit crazy. And then there's hopefully nga, but things will become clear, the right information will be passed to all of you and to everybody. I think that's very important. Ang hirap lahat sabi na this, that, di ba, na ganito na, nag-evolve na, nag-communicate na, di ba, hopefully, wala naman tatago, wala naman dapat itago.
Coach, salamat.